Hey you guys, what's up? I am going back into CVS where I showed you guys they had those nail treatments. Someone requested to see the color, so that's all I needed was one person to tell me that they wanted to see it, to give me an excuse to come back in. So I'm gonna come in, or I'm in here to look at some of those colors I've seen because some of them looked new to me. And oh, they filled it up a little bit with the treatments up here, and to possibly pick out a nail treatment. I'm trying to make sure I'm not missing anything else really quick. Paparazzis. Okay, let me show you guys. There's music playing, so I can't talk. I wish you could request to turn the music off when you go in the store, but since I can't, here's a voiceover. So yeah, y'all, went back to go look at these beautiful creams because some of these looked new to me. I'm not too sure, but the names did not ring a bell like I've heard of them before. Some I have, but most of these ones that I'm looking at now I have not. They're so pretty, like that nude, the teddy bear, but I just could not bring myself to pay, like, what was it, $2.49 or $2.99 for each of these when I know I can find them somewhere for $1.99. But yeah, so yeah, this was in the wrong spot. This was Dynasty in the metal color, and the one that was supposed to go there is this one. It's Red Carpet Ready. That Vampy, I have seen that one before. Like I said, a couple of them did sound familiar. Chateau did not. Mademoiselle did not sound familiar either. Most of these down here, I think, are pretty much all of the ones that they usually have, like Family Dollar, Dollar General. You see those the most in those particular stores. The XOXO, I don't quite remember, but these up here are the ones that I was not sure if they were new or not. I love that moon. I love almost all these colors up here. It was so hard for me to decide because I was only going to get one, and then I had a coupon for the paparazzi, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But I only picked up one of these, and it was not the color that I thought I had. You'll see in a bit that I picked up a couple, and I must have set down the color that I wanted and kept the color that I meant to set down. So I was going to go back today and go get the other color that I want, but I think I'm going to wait and go to my local beauty supply and see if they have. This is the color that I want right here, and I think I set it down by accident and picked up like an orangey color. I was trying to decide on which one. I think that's the one that I got. Yeah, and I think I must have set down that one, and because I pick up that other color again. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know what the heck I did, but I really wanted that other color. And I was also thinking about picking up this Miraculous. It's the one with the hyaluronic acid in it and the bamboo extract. I'm just not sure if they're really gonna work. I don't want to waste my money. If you guys have seen them, tried them, make sure to comment below and let me know if you tried those treatments before I go getting one of each. I showed you guys those in the other video. So yeah, they did have a bunch of really nice colors, some that, like I said, they did not look familiar to me. They had this one, and it was like a gray shimmer, a really light gray shimmer. It was really pretty. It's called Dazzling. And then they had their glitters. Now I've showed you guys these glitter vibes in Five Below, and I think these are different ones. I am not sure because I don't remember a couple of the colors down there, so I'm gonna have to go look at that video and see if these are the same names or different, because those might be different. And I think all of these Diamond Crush, I think it's called Diamond Crushes, are the same ones I've showed y'all before. It might be one or two in there that I have not seen, but everything down here at the bottom of the LA Color shelf is all of the normal stuff that you see in the stores, so I didn't even bother looking at it. Yeah, that's the color I end up picking up. So I was trying to decide between the two. I wanted to get the one on the left, and I set that one down and had the other one and didn't even pay attention because here I am running over here to the paparazzi. I actually forgot that they were buy one get one 50% off until I got to the checkout with this one, and I ended up running back and picking out another one of the paparazzis. I just grabbed something because I was in line and it was people behind me. I'm like, wait, let me go get another one. So I got a really good deal. So I'm going to show you guys the 3 polishes that I got. If you guys are not signed up for CVS emails or texts, y'all sign up because you get 40% coupons, 40% off coupons all of the time. And those are so great when you want to go buy some nail polish here because you'll save so much money. You can combine it with your extra bucks, and you know, sometimes they have sales on the polishes that takes even an extra couple dollars off. So make sure you guys have your notifications on so you'll know when I upload that video on the 3 that I got, because you guys will not believe the price that I got it for. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. See you in the next video.